The wait is finally over. Or is it? For months, rumors have been swirling through the halls of Cupertino, leaking out of supply chains in Taiwan, and appearing in cryptic patent filings that suggest Apple is about to change the wearable game forever. If you think the Ultra 3 was a peak, you aren't paying attention. We are standing on the precipice of a shift so massive, it's going to make every other smartwatch on your wrist look like a toy from a cereal box. Welcome to the era of the Apple Watch Ultra 4. Now, I want you to stop for a second and look at your wrist. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Whether you're wearing an older series model, an Ultra 2, or nothing at all, that space is the most valuable real estate on the planet right now. Why? Because the Ultra 4 isn't just a watch anymore. It's becoming a medical-grade guardian, a survivalist's ultimate tool, and a piece of engineering that honestly shouldn't exist yet. But before we get into the massive screen upgrades and the battery life that defies physics, we have to talk about the one leak that has the entire medical community in an absolute frenzy. For years, the holy grail of health tech has been non-invasive blood glucose monitoring. Imagine a world where millions of people don't have to prick their fingers anymore. Imagine a watch that can tell you exactly how that soda or that workout is affecting your blood sugar in real time. The patents for the Ultra 4 suggest that Apple has finally cracked the code using shortwave infrared absorption spectroscopy. This isn't just a cool feature. This is a trillion-dollar breakthrough. And if the rumors are true, the Ultra 4 will be the first device to bring this to the masses. But it's not just about what's inside. It's about how it looks and feels. Sources close to the display manufacturing side are pointing toward a revolutionary MicroLED transition. If you thought OLED was bright, you haven't seen anything yet. We're talking about a screen that can hit 4,000 nits of peak brightness. That is brighter than most high-end TVs in your living room. Why does that matter? Because when you're on the side of a mountain in blinding sunlight, or diving 100 feet below the ocean surface, visibility isn't a luxury. It's a necessity for survival. And speaking of diving, let's talk about the chassis. The Ultra 4 is rumored to be moving toward a grade 5 titanium alloy with a new, dark ceramic coating. This isn't just for aesthetics. This coating is designed to be virtually unscratchable. You could rub this thing against a granite rock, and the rock would be the one that loses. Apple is doubling down on the Ultra branding, making it a tank that looks like a masterpiece. But here is where things get truly sci-fi. The integration of Apple's M-series architecture logic into the new S-series chip. We're calling it the S11, but it's essentially a miniature supercomputer. This chip isn't just faster, it's smarter. We are talking about on-device AI, Apple Intelligence, that can predict your health issues before they happen. Imagine your watch tapping you on the wrist and saying, "Hey, your heart rate variability and skin temperature suggest you're going to come down with a flu in the next 24 hours. You should rest now." It's not a gadget, it's a biological early warning system. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: battery life. The biggest complaint about the Apple Watch since day one has been the daily charge. The Ultra changed that, but the Ultra 4 is aiming for the moon. With the efficiency of the MicroLED display and a new high-density silicon-carbon battery technology, we are looking at a potential 4 to 5 day battery life. For a Garmin user, that might seem standard, but for an Apple user with